Ceramico, is that right?
Ceramico, yeah.
Ceramico, is that how you call it?
Yes.
Okay, here we are, folks. And it's a finished product, is that correct?
Yes.
Which part of Finland? Is it from
These are...
north of Finland? Or?
It's from south of Finland, a town called Porvoo.
Porvoo, okay.
It's close to Helsinki.
Okay.
And it's the only creature that doesn't hurt your fingers. I have a piece of ginger here, for example. Just drop it there in the bottom of the plate. And you don't need to be scared for the fingers because it's not actually that sharp. And you can create it till the end. And if it's stuck in there, just take a brush like this to collect it all together. Especially good with the ginger because even the juice stays there in the bowl if you have a juicy ginger.
Of course.
And you can use it for Parmesan cheese, chocolate, nuts.
Lemon zest, onions.
Yes, exactly.
Also, so nutmeg, apple, Brussels nuts,
garlic. Really good with the garlic because you don't even have to peel it when you just take a little piece off. And then the rest of the skin goes automatically when you just drop it there in the bottom of the plate. Goes really fast. And then you just throw that piece away and collect it again. You can even put some olive oil there in the bowl and make a little mixture.
And you can spread it on bread. And wonderful.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so there you are, folks. A magic of Finland from Porvoo.
Yes.
Wonderful. Finished this.
Handmade in Finland.
All handmade in Finland. Definitely not from the Far East. So I'm going to buy one.